Okay, welcome to part 2, Triple E134, analysis of BJT used as a switch. So the first logic family that we will analyze, class, is what we call as the resistor transistor logic. So hoy, ito yung, yan. Ito yung pinaka basic, tapos simple, pero power loss is high. Ibig sabihin yung power consumption niya is high. And this is being used in very old computers. Okay? So tinawag siyang resistor transistor logic because you have a resistor at the input and you have your BJT as your switching device. Okay. Now review, class, large signal analysis. Ano yung large niya? Ano yung signal? Input. So let us um, vary the input largely. I call this largely. I don't know if this is correct word or not. Ibig sabihin, from rail to rail. Rail to rail. Um, okay, bakit tinawag? Segway. Bakit tinawag siyang rail to rail? Kasi, class, if you draw this as a block diagram, diba? Circuit 1, and then another circuit, another circuit, another circuit. So, meron siyang power lines, VCC, then meron siyang ground, diba? VCC. Para siyang release ng tren eh. So, it's rail to rail. Anyway, so yeah, and then we plot VO and VI. Okay? Again, VI tsaka VO. So, si VI starts from 0. What is now VO? So, if this is 0, this is grounded, then this is off. Why? Because there is no current flowing. So, when this is off, this is open. And if this is open, there is no collector current. And so, this is 0 volts, right? Because of RC times 0. And so KVL, you have VO equal to VCC. Okay. Now let's go to the other extreme. What if VI is VCC? Okay, let's erase that. Okay. Now if this is VCC, then IB is too high. Diba? Pero 0.7 pa rin yan. But IB is too high. So, IC becomes too high. Now, imagine if this is too high, then this voltage drop here will be too high. So that your VCE, nagsabot na, class, is equal to 0.2 volts. Okay, that's ano yung Tagalog sa nagsabot? Hmm, basta nagsabot. We came into an agreement. We entered an agreement. We agreed upon that. Okay. So, mathematically, class, dapat zero siya eh. Kasi sa sobrang laki ni IC, your voltage drop here will approach being VCC. And so, negative VCC plus VCC plus VO equals 0. So, VO should be equal to 0. But no, because I will always say this, meron naman siyang ano eh, before siya di ba, ito yung kanina, ah, amplifier, tapos naging ano siya, naging cut off siya, naging saturated siya. Hindi naman talaga yan maging 0 CVC eh. So kahit na ito yung IB na too high, your IC will um will just be equal to this one, IC max. Okay, pero kung meron pa ganyan, ito naman yung IB mo, which is too high, then IC will be right here. But ano ba talaga? So we just um agree na it should be when VCE equals 0.2. So that is why if Vi is Vc, then Vo will be V 0.2. And this is actually VOL, yung kanina class. Or, yeah, yan, VOL. Ito, 0.2. Ano to? The maximum voltage at the output corresponding to logic 0. So, hindi na pwede na, ay, okay, okay. Hindi na pwedeng, si VOL class meaning si output, ito si VCE, ito yung output eh. Kahit ano pa yung gawin mo sa VCC, hindi na siya bababa sa 0.2. So your logic 0 will just be in the output side ha, hindi na yan bababa. Okay, now, so where is our coordinates? Okay, this one, this is when um VI equals VCC, and then VO is, I'm sorry, mali ata. I'm sorry, VI is 0, VO is VCC, and then here, this is when VI is VCC, VO is 0.2. Now, those are two extremes. Pero if we go back class to Vi equals 0 and then we slowly vary Vi and then we increase that, hindi to straight line. Actually, this becomes like this. Okay? Parang ganyan yan. Okay, and here, interestingly, is your active region. This is your, um, okay, this is, I'm, I'm starting to delve deeper class, but I'll try to be as intuitive as I can, or as simple as I can. This is when Vi is low, so this is your cutoff, and then this is your saturation. Hala, amazing, no? Pag i-plot natin together si VO tsaka si VI, we can actually see the three regions continuously. So, how do we relate now an amplifier and a switch? Ganito, ang switch class is logic gate na inverter. This is an inverter. Bakit? 'Di ba? Ah, pag maliit si VI, malaki si VO. Pag malaki si VI, maliit si VO. So, I think intuitive siya. We can understand that this is a switch, a NOT gate. This is a gate, a logic gate. Pero dito sa saturation class, saan siya naging amplifier? Well, naging amplifier siya class if we take the slope. And now you have a rise over run, which is more than 1. So, it now amplifies. So, dili pwede maging amplifier to kasi ibig sabihin, zero si amplification, zero yung slope eh. Hindi rin pwede maging amplifier dito kasi zero din yung slope. Kahit ano pang gawin mo sa VI, zero yan. Ay, hindi mag-change si VO. Ito kahit, ito pag nag-increase ka ng VI, mayroon siyang corresponding increase. Dito sa active region, pag meron kang increase ni VI, meron siyang corresponding increase ni VO which is greater than 1. So, it amplifies. Di ba? Na-relate natin si amplifier tsaka switch. The line is continuous, but the application is totally different. So that is a NOT gate, an inverter. Okay, so if we want to sketch this, okay, let's try to check. Dalawa yung case niyan, class. Case when Vi is 0, so BGT is cut off. Bakit? Kasi IB is 0. Hindi naman yan mag-create ng 0.7 kung kulang si VI. So, you don't say um, 0.7 tapos mag-KVL ka tapos maging ano, kasi 0 siya eh. So, meron kang IB, di ba? You don't do this because you will have a contradiction if you do this. Kasi that will become 180K IB plus 0.7 equals 0. So IB is now negative 0.7 over 180K. This is a contradiction because we say that IB is going in. So pag negative yan, going out na. Hindi na yan pwede sa NPN. So contradiction nga. The contradiction is the contradiction or the error in our statement is this, na meron siyang 0.7. Actually wala. Hindi pa yan enough para mag forward si B ug E. So your IB is 0, so IC is 0, and then um, VO is 10 volts. Okay, now for the case where VI is 10 volts, ito class. Paano yan sir mathematically? Well, mathematically ganito. So for sure, mayroon na yung 0.7. Okay, let me write again. Meron siyang um, 0.7. And then we have negative 10 plus 180K IB plus 0.7 equals 0. And then IB will be 10 minus 0.7 divided by 180K. And how much is that? That is, wait, 9.3 divided by 180,000. That's 51.67 microampere. Okay, 51.67 microampere. Um, yeah, it's okay. But okay, but if IB SAT is less than your actual IB, okay, then BJT is already saturated. And we will always assume that that is the case. Huh? We will assume that that is the case if our bias is too high or our RB is too high also. But in reality class, we need to check for the datasheet kasi malay mo baka hindi talaga to saturated, baka active siya. But for now, for the sake of discussion, we will assume that 51.67 is too high para masaturate. Okay? Now, I want you to remember this. If that is the case, okay, now if BGT is saturated, this is the thing. IC equals beta IB does not apply. Kasi hindi ni siya active eh. So how do we solve for IC, sir? We don't solve IC. We assume that VCE is zero point 0.2 volts and from there we solve for IC. Oh, okay. So, yeah, we assume that IB is too high for such for transistor to maintain in the active region. That's why it's now saturated. And if it is saturated, then looking at the load line, dito na siya sa zero point 0.2 si VCE, then we put here zero point 0.2. And then we can solve for IC. But that is not what the problem is asking. It's asking for the sketch. So, um, if VI equals 10 volts, then VCE or VO equals zero point 0.2 and here 10. So this is 10, 0.2, wherever that is. And then, so it's an inverter. This is an ideal inverter, but we need to consider class that there is propagation delay, there is rise time and fall time. But for now, ideal lang muna. Actually, yung mga fall time, propagation time, advanced na ano na yan, na courses na yun. Yung tinitinan talaga nila yung mga parameters na yun. So, ngayon, let's just treat it as ideal. Okay, now we have a NOR gate. So si NOR gate class, 'di ba ang iyang truth table is NOR gate. So you have A, B, sorry, A, B, and then A plus B prime. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 0 is 0, prime that's 1, and then everything else is 0. Now, what happens? What if A and B are all 0? So grounded to lahat. Then IB is 0, so cut off. IB is 0, so cut off. Then there is no current flow, so this voltage here is 0 volts. So your output, which is this one, is VCC. So here, this is VCC. Okay, but if one of the inputs, at least ha, kasi pwede dalawa input, maging ano siya, maging 1, so maging ano na to, VCC. So now you have an IB that is too high. We assume that. So that's why we don't really need the values of R1. Too high. Okay, delete this. And then it would cause an IC that is too high. So it will, this IC here is too high. This is too high. Such that maipit itong VCE maging 0.2 na lang. This one is still cut off. Open naman yan eh. So if that is 0.2, 0.2 because it's saturated, then that is actually your A plus B prime na output. So this is 0.2. Okay, parehas lang yan kung isa yung baliktarin natin yung B yung naka VCC tsaka sa A si ground. So this will still be 0.2. Now if both of them are VCC, okay, so VCC din to, merong IB na too high, mag 0.2 to. So parallel lang naman yan eh. So 0.2 pa rin. Pero mas mag-increase si IC kasi dalawa na siyang nagsusupply sa dalawang transistor. So, your power consumption increases. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, yeah, right. Now, I gave this example class. Okay, validate the truth table. Okay, I gave this example kasi meron na siyang ano na, meron siyang numbers. Let us just assume na 0, 1 lang muna. So this is ground and this is 5 volts. Let us try to solve for this IB here. So IB will be 5 minus 0.7 kasi mag-forward bias to eh. Divided by 10K. Okay, that is how much? 4.3 divided by 10K. So that is 430 microamps. Ang laki. Ang laki niyan, class. Now, sige sir, what if hindi muna tayo mag-assume that everything is now no longer active? Saturated na siya. Okay, sige. Let us assume that active pa rin. What happens is this. Your beta is 100, so your IC is ano, 100. Hay nako. Magiging 43 milliampere. Now, let us try to solve for this voltage drop. So maging ano 'yan? Times 3.3 kilo. 'Di ba? Maging ano 'yan? 142 volts. You see? Hindi yan makatotohanan, class. 43 milliampere multiplied by 3.3K 142 volts. Hindi yan totoo. So where is now the wrong? This one? Ano yung mali? This one or this one? This is where mali. This is the wrong. The mali. When we assume that we can still use IC equals beta IB. That should not be the case because this is too far. This is too high. That exceeds the base saturation current. 'Di ba? Okay sana kung maliit. Yun yung gamit natin previous days. IC equals beta IB. Ngayon hindi na. So what we do instead is lagyan natin dito ng 0.2 volts. Automatic na yan. So magiging ano yan? 4.8 volts. And so your IC should be 4.8 divided by 3.3K, which is 1.45 milliamps. O, saan yung mas realistic? 145 milliamp, 1.45 milliamps or 43 milliampere? Hindi, hindi masyadong obvious. Pero ito class, saan yung realistic? 142 volts or 4.8 volts? Syempre ito. Kasi 5 volts lang yung supply mo. How come meron kang 142 volts? So yun pala yung nangyari. Ito, tama din to. Tama ito class. Kaya lang, hindi na siya nakapag, nakapag ah, produce ng 43 milliamps. Okay, and then, okay, sige. I think we can end here. Okay, dito na lang. We can end here. We can discuss some more of this and then we end. So sa NAND gate class, madali lang to. You can check on your own. 'Di ba? A, B, 0011, 0101, and then A, B prime. So ito 1 at tapos 110. So test natin, ito na lang yung test natin. If 1 silang dalawa, so this is saturated, okay? So meron siyang 0.2, meron din siyang 0.2. So your AB is 0.4. Still low, okay? Pero pag grounded ang isa, putol. So now your current here is 0. Kasi putol eh. Series sila eh. 'Di ba? Clever yung circuit. So 0 to. And so VCC, AB prime will be VCC, which is logic 1. Right. Okay. Now, buffer class, dalawang cascade lang yan ng inverter. So, if this is VCC, then this is saturated. This is 0.2. If this is 0.2, hindi yan enough class para mag 0.7 dito. Tapos, di ba, bibigyan pa yan niya ng voltage si RB2. So, off, good ni. Kasi 0.2 lang eh. So, if this is off, this is open, then this is 0, this is 0, so this is VCC. So, buffer, VCC, VCC. Okay, what if grounded? Grounded, putol. Now, the current will flow here, up to here, up to here. So, enough si VCC, meron siyang 0.7, meron siyang IB, which is too high. Why? Kasi VCC. So, this will saturate to 0.2. So, A equals 0.2, which is logic 0, same sa ground na logic 0. Right. And then, fan out, we will explain this in the next meeting. Okay? Thank you for listening patiently.